Pre-owned Center again. Today I'm going to be going over the certified warranty on the used Volkswagens that we have here. So on the vehicles from 2015 to 2017 that are certified, you get a 2-year, 24,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty through Volkswagen of America. It covers your engine, transmission, anything electrical, mechanical in the car. Does not cover your wearable items such as wheels, brakes, tires, rotors, things like that. Now in a car like this, a 2019, it is crazy. So the factory warranty is a 6-year, 72,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. So you get the remainder of that plus a 1-year, 12,000 certified warranty. Now this Tiguan over here, the 2020, it's a little bit the same as the 2019. The factory warranty on these are a 4-year 50, so you get the remainder of that and the 1-year 12. So it's a great warranty. Why don't you come down to Trump Motors Pre-Owned Center located in Rockaway, New Jersey, and check out our inventory of certified pre-owned Volkswagens. I'll see you soon.